Hi everyone, today I'd like to share my experience with the Keel Klamper from Amati, a fantastic tool for ship model enthusiasts. Let's dive into what you get in the box and how this clamper can make your modeling process a lot easier. Inside the box, you will find the vice stand and the two sturdy clamps to secure the vice to your workbench. The solid metal base provides excellent stability while you assemble, paint, and finish your ship models. The clamper features two adjustable keel grips made from a durable ABS plastic, which slides smoothly along an aluminum bar. The grips can extend up to 38 centimeters apart, allowing for a wide range of model sizes. They are spring-loaded with a locking knob, and each grip can rotate 360 degrees for maximum flexibility. With a maximum grip jar opening of about 1 centimeter, this clamp can handle most wooden ship model kits on the market. One of my favorite features is the swivel system, which let me work on my ship models from all angles, especially handy when painting the hull and installing fittings. For even greater stability, you can secure the clamper to your workbench using the provided clamps or your own wood screws. I measured the maximum thickness of the clampers can handle. It's about 4.5 centimeters, making it compatible with most home workbenches. Now, let's see the clamper in action. Here, I'm building the Zebic 1753 ship model kit from Amati, which will be over 70 centimeters long when finished. The clamper is a huge help when building the hull frame, keeping everything nice and square. Making the waterline correctly can be tricky, but this clamper makes easy by holding the hull firmly in place. And thanks to the swivel feature, I can access every angle effortlessly while working on my model. I hope this video was helpful if you are considering the Keel Klamper from Amati. It's been a game changer for my ship modeling projects, and I think you will find it just as useful. And yes, I might have given a sneak peek of my next model build, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.